In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Squarespace, a simple and effective way to engage your audience directly on your website. Whether you're looking to entertain your visitors or gather valuable insights, creating a quiz can be a fun and interactive addition to your online presence. So, let's dive in and walk through each step to get your quiz up and running in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Squarespace website. If you're already familiar with the platform, this is your starting point. For those who might be new, don't worry. Squarespace is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're there, click on Get Started. This is where you'll begin setting up your quiz. If you're not already logged in, make sure you sign into your account to access your site's dashboard. The Get Started button is your gateway to creating and customizing your content. Next, head over to the page where you would like your quiz to appear. This involves clicking on Website, then Pages, followed by Edit on the specific page you want. This method allows you to choose precisely where on your website your quiz will be hosted, be it on a blog, a dedicated quiz section, or any other page you feel is suitable. Selecting the right spot is essential, as you want to ensure it's easily accessible to your visitors. Now, you're ready to add your new content. Look for the Add Block button, which is typically represented by a +sign icon. Clicking this allows you to insert a new block anywhere on your page. It's Squarespace's way of letting you infuse your pages with rich, customized content beyond standard text and images. From the block options, opt for the code block. This selection is vital as it will enable you to input the specific script needed to run your quiz. If this is your first time using code on Squarespace, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, which is straightforward and guides you to insert and manage different types of content efficiently. Now comes the crucial part. You'll need the code for your quiz. Typically, this code is provided by whichever quiz creation tool you've utilized. Simply paste this code into the code block you just added. Ensure it's correctly placed and free of errors to guarantee your quiz functions appropriately. Lastly, click Save to apply your changes. This action is the final step in making sure that your newly embedded quiz is live and ready for interaction on your site. Clicking Save secures your work and makes it viewable to your audience. And there you have it, your quiz is now live on Squarespace. Each of these steps is an integral part of the process, and together they make it easy to integrate interactive content into your website. Follow along, and you'll have a functioning, engaging quiz in no time.